this is Qi. It's a type of dinosaur that was discovered in China, and it dates to the late Jurassic period. Now, Qi directly translates from Mandarin to strange wing, which is kind of what this dinosaur is famous for. It's only known from this one specific fossil specimen. This is all we've found of it, but it's pretty well preserved, all things considering how fossilization and preservation and paleontology and all that works. So it's a pretty good specimen for the only one we have. Now, the interesting thing about it is you can quite clearly see that it has feathers up here, like feathered dinosaurs or birds, but its wings are not like other feathered dinosaurs that we've found. Morphologically, the wings of the Qi are quite a lot more similar to bat wings, which instead of being feathered, it's basically like spreading your fingers out into a wing shape with thin membranes stretched in between those fingers. Also vaguely similar to how the pterosaur wings are constructed, but analysis by experts say that it morphologically is more similar to bat wings. These guys are stated to be arboreal, which means they live and hunt and spend most of their times in trees. However, at least in this specific specimen we found, it looks unlikely that these guys were capable of powered flight, which means like flapping and taking and lifting off in true flight, and more likely these guys were just very good gliders. The fossil specimen found seems to be lacking the correct muscles in the correct position at the correct volume to actually be capable of flapping up and down in powered flight, so it's more likely these guys just kind of jumped out of trees and glided either to the ground or to the next tree over. However, this is still a very interesting dinosaur due to the fact that this is kind of the only one we've found that has morphology like this. Most of them are more similar to birds and have feathered wings more similar to the configuration of modern bird wings. And while these guys do have feathers, they don't have them in the same way that other feathered dinosaurs or modern birds have.